Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with MX Data Enhancement Review My Usage Experience. MX Data Enhancement Review My Usage Experience offers data cleansing and enhancement services for businesses. Its main purpose is to improve the quality and accuracy of customer data, targeting businesses needing to clean up inaccurate or incomplete information for marketing, sales, or other operational purposes. Key features likely include data validation, deduplication, and standardization. Their website provides details on specific capabilities. Their website emphasizes ease of use and pricing transparency. They claim a streamlined process and no hidden fees. They don't mention specific technology, but the service likely utilizes algorithms and matching techniques to identify and correct data inconsistencies. Availability is likely dependent on the data format and volume submitted. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using MX Data Enhancement Review My Usage Experience. I uploaded a sample CSV file of approximately 5,000 customer records, many of which contained inconsistencies like typos and duplicate entries. Getting started was incredibly simple. The upload process was straightforward and the system provided immediate feedback on the file size and format. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I was able to easily preview the data before processing, allowing me to spot any initial errors. The processing time was surprisingly fast, under 2 hours for the entire dataset. The results were excellent. The tool successfully identified and corrected numerous errors, including duplicates and inconsistencies in addresses and phone numbers. The quality of the enhanced data was significantly improved. I had a quick question about a particular field and their support responded within a day via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was and the detailed reports generated. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to export the clean data in multiple formats. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, requiring desktop access. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with MX Data Enhancement Review My Usage Experience. It significantly improved my data quality efficiently and effectively. That's my overview of MX Data Enhancement Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.